Good morning, guys! I wasn't able to take a video earlier during our breakfast buffet because my camera experienced moisture condensation, but it's okay now. I just let it rest for an hour and it's back to normal. Yeah. So for today's itinerary, right after our breakfast buffet, we are going to do one sports activity here in Treasure Bay, Bintan. So for our first activity, we have Cable 2. Yes, we're going to the Cable 2 to have our first water sports activity today. Yeah. So what are you expecting to do? Ay? Gawin mo apat, oh.
I expect the unexpected.
Wow, and then you?
I expect to make me sweat.
Make me
Water.
Make me make me water.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're now here at the activity area where the cable tube will be held. And right now, as you can see in the background, this is the cable tube, and we'll be going there by twos, so by partner. And this activity costs 250,000 Indonesian rupiah, or around $25 SGD. Earlier it rained, but now it's really hot, so we don't have any choice. It's still okay rather than raining, so that we can continue our activity. This is it. Pray for us. Pray for us. Ito. Parang wala naman.
Easy!
Oh my God. This is me in my nonchalant era.
Tapulaw.
Ito na yun?
Wait a minute.
Yeah! Buyer! Wow, confident yarn. Tuwang-tuwa.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Hellowers! Ngayon ay napakahalagang araw dahil kami ng mga kumari ko ay pupunta sa binyagan. Ito na pala yung Mercedes bench. Bench siya, hindi Benz. Ayan na. Ayun na pala tayo. Let's go. Sasalubungin talaga natin. Ayun.
Ayun din ang mural.
We're now here at Lagoi Bay.
city
Wow,
streets.
look at that, guys. It's sunset and it's really beautiful.
We rise like
Wow.
buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning,
We're heading to our hotel for the barbecue. See you there.
Nag-ready na ako eh.
Hello guys! Good morning! It is our last day here in Natra Bintan, Indonesia, and unfortunately the weather is not good since yesterday, so we have cancelled a lot of our activities, and the only thing that's left is our bonding over breakfast and some photo shoot. So let's go over there and have some fun! For our feedback, guys, Natra Bintan crew and staff are really, really polite. They always greet us whenever they see us, and they ask us if there's anything that they can help. For us, it's really a 5-star service. Pupuntahan ko yung mga kumare ko. 3 buwan nang di nagbabayad. Pa-staycation na lang. Ito yung bahay nila. Yung mga kumare kong chismosa pero di naman marunong magbayad. Mare, kailan ka magbayad ng utang mo? Tinan mo? Talaga. Tinan mo, ang ganda-ganda ng damit pero wala pang bayad.
Magbabayad ako 5.7 instead ng 5.7 pa.
Doon naman tayo sa isang kumare at kumpare namin. Yun, galante yun. Laging bongga. Kaya tingnan natin. Ang laki ng pakimkim nun sa anak ko. House and lot. Pero 10 years to pay. Hello. Ito yung kumare kong bongga.
Wait lang, mag-busy pa.
Wala lang. Gusto lang naman manggulo. Ayan. Ito pala sila. So, ano lang namin. Ginulon lang namin kayo. So, goodbye. Ay! Wala lang. Gulo lang kami. Galing na kami. Ayan. So, nakilala niyo na yung mga kapitbahay namin. Isang hindi marunong magbayad ng utang. Isang galante. Ayan. Ganoon naman talaga yung mga kapitbahay natin, di ba? Guys, so this is it. We are ready to return back to Singapore, and this short staycation is really fun with our friends. And by the way, I will flash the total amount that we have paid here in Natra Bintan, including all the restaurants and transportation charges. And for us, this 5-star hotel is also a 5-star service. So if you are asking us if you're going to come back, then definitely we will. So, see you back in Singapore. Bye!